जय हिंद दोस्तों। आई होप आपकी तैयारी बहुत अच्छी चल रही है और आज हम इसी सीक्वेंस में करंट अफेयर्स के अगला एक वर्टिकल लेके आए हैं। जो अगला हमारा वर्टिकल है, दैट वर्टिकल इज कॉल्ड एज अवार्ड्स। तो आज हम अवार्ड्स के ऊपर डिस्कस करेंगे। अगले तीनों के तीनों जो वर्टिकल्स हैं बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहेंगे, तो बड़े ध्यान से सुनिएगा। चलो शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले दिस इज़ द क्वेश्चन पिटारा। यहाँ पर जाके आप अपने टेस्ट दीजिएगा और मॉक दीजिएगा। इसके सबके मॉक्स वहाँ पे मैं डालता जा रहा हूँ, सो वहाँ पे जाके मॉक्स दीजिएगा, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है। नेक्स्ट, आज का जो हमारा वर्टिकल चल रहा है वो चल रहा है 2023 के करंट अफेयर्स फॉर अप्रैल अटेम्प्ट ऑफ 2024। तो ये सारे के सारे जिन बच्चों ने मुझे अभी ज्वाइन किया है, लेट मी टेल देम कि ये जो हमारा सारा करंट अफेयर चल रहा है, ये चल रहा है फ्रॉम सितंबर टू मार्च। तो सितंबर से लेके मार्च तक के सारे सारे आपके करंट अफेयर चल रहे हैं। अब हु इज़ द 2023 रमन मैगसेसे अवार्डी फ्रॉम इंडिया फॉर हिज वर्क इन इम्प्रूविंग द कैंसर इन द रूरल इंडिया? द आंसर इज डॉक्टर रवि कन्नन आर। तो रवि कन्नन आर इज अ सर्जिकल ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट है ये, एंड ही हैज डेडिकेटेड हिज करियर टू इम्प्रूविंग कैंसर इन द रूरल इंडिया। ही फाउंडेड कैंसर पेशेंट्स एड CPAA। ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु हैज बीन अवॉर्डेड द डायबिटोलॉजिस्ट ऑफ द ईयर नेशनल विनर 2023 फॉर हिज exceptional medical services and dedication to improve the lives of the people with diabetes? The answer is, in this case, Dr. Navneet Agrawal. Next, who has been awarded the leading fintech personality of the year at the Global Fintech Awards 2023? The answer is Adeeb Ahmed. Who has been awarded Dr. A.M. Gokhale Award for Ophthalmology in Pune? The answer is Brigadier Sanjay Kumar Mishra. Which Indian fashion designer has been awarded the Chevalier d'Ordre des Arts des लेटर्स? याद कर सकते हो, याद कर लीजिएगा मित्रों। अवार्ड बाय द फ्रेंच गवर्नमेंट रिसेंटली। द आंसर इज द राहुल मिश्रा। नेक्स्ट, हु प्रेजेंटेड द संगीत नाटक अकेडमी अमृत अवार्ड ऑन सितंबर 16, 2023? द आंसर इज जगदीप धनखड़। What is the name of the new national award for science, technology and innovation in India? The answer is राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान पुरस्कार। Next, who is set to receive 2023 Norman Borlaug Field Award for her groundbreaking work in engaging farmer in demand-driven rice seed system? Answer is Swati Nayak. Who has been honored with the prestigious Dada Saheb Phalke Award Achievement Award for the year 2023? The answer is Wahida Rahman. Who has been awarded with the Shastra Ramanuja Prize in Mathematics? The answer is Ruxiang Zhang. नाम थोड़ा टिपिकल है। Who is the first Nobel Prize winner? Who were the first Nobel Prize winners in the world? The answer is John Henry Donat and Frederick Passy. जो ये हमारे डोनट और फ्रेडरिक पैसी, they were awarded the first Nobel Peace Prize in 1901 for their contribution in the peace movement, and Donat was the founder of the International Committee of Red Cross, while Passy was the leading international pacifist. Which Indian teacher was named as the finalist for the Global Teacher Prize 2023? The answer is Deep Narayanan. Who received the 2023 USISPF Global Leadership Award for the Philanthropy and Corporate Social Responsibility? Answer is Neeta Ambani. Received 2023 USISPF Global Leadership Award for Philanthropy and Corporate Social Responsibility. Who has been awarded with the prestigious White House National Medal for Technology and Innovation and National Medal for Science by US President Joe Biden? The answer is Ashok Gadgil and Subra Suresh. So जो US President हैं अभी जो बाइडन, awarded the prestigious White House National Medal for Technology and Innovation for Ashok Gadgil and Subra Suresh. Who won 2023 Ballon d'Or for men? The answer is Lionel Messi. So he has been awarded for this extending his 8th award. He beat out a strong field of contenders including Erling Haaland, Karim Benzema and Kylian Mbappe. So next, हाउ मेनी इंडियन नोबल लॉरेट्स आर देयर एज पर सितंबर 2023? तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग 9 इंडियन हैं जिनको अब तक नोबेल प्राइज़ मिला है। रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, सर सीवी रमन, हरगोविंद खुराना, मदर टेरेसा, सुब्रमण्यम चंद्रशेखर, अमर्त्य सेन, वेंकटारमन रामाकृष्णन, कैलाश सत्यार्थी एंड अभिजीत बैनर्जी। तो ये लोग हैं जिनको अभी तक इंडिया से नोबेल प्राइज़ मिला है। हु हैज़ बीन अवॉर्डेड द नोबेल प्राइज इन इकोनॉमिक साइंसेज? द आंसर इज क्लॉडिया गोल्डिन। क्लॉडिया गोल्डिन अमेरिकन इकोनॉमिक हिस्टोरियन है एंड लेबर इकोनॉमिस्ट है, हु इज करंटली द हेनरी ली प्रोफेसर ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एट हार्वर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी। Who received the award Global Leadership for from Harvard School? D.Y. Chandrachud, ये चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया है। नेक्स्ट, विच इंडियन ओरिजिन प्रोफेसर हु हैज़ बीन अवॉर्डेड द डच स्पिनोजा प्राइज फॉर क्लाइमेट चेंज रिसर्च? द आंसर इज Jyoti Gupta is an Indian origin professor at the University of Amsterdam who has been awarded as a Nobel Peace Prize in 2023. The answer is Nargis Mohammadi. ये Iranian human rights activist हैं who was awarded Nobel Prize in 2023 for her fight against oppressions of women. Who has been awarded as a Durga Bharat Samman by Governor of West Bengal for his contribution to the world music and preservation of Indian classical music heritage? The answer is Ajay Chakraborty. Which village in India has been awarded UNWTO's Best Tourism Village 2023? Answer is Dhordo in Gujarat. Dhordo village in Gujarat has been awarded as the UNWTO's Best Tourism Village 2023. This is a significant achievement for India. Which state was awarded the third prize in its outstanding effort for operations in Telemanas? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh got its third prize for its remarkable achievement, including implementing Telemanas, a technology-based mental health and counseling service. Which Tamil writer was awarded Saraswati Samman 2022 for her memoirs Surya Vamsam? The answer is Siva Sankari. Which renowned Hollywood actor is set to receive Satyaji Ray Excellence Filmfare Award, Lifetime Award at the 54th International Film Festival in Goa? The answer is Michael Douglas. Who recently became the first woman to receive the Global Indian Award from the Canada India Foundation CIF? The answer is Sudha Murthy. ये एक जानी मानी ऑथर एंड फिलेंथ्रोपिस्ट है। Who won the gold medal in 5000 meter at 2023 Asian Games, becoming the third Indian track and field athlete to do so? Answer is Parul Chaudhary. Who are the winners of the Nobel Prize in Physiology और मेडिसिन इन 2023? द आंसर इज, नाम थोड़ा टिपिकल है तो कैटलिन कारिको एंड ड्रू वेस्टमैन आर द टू इंडिविजुअल्स। नोबेल प्राइज फॉर लिटरेचर इन 2023? द आंसर इज जॉन फोसे। इनको जो मिला है फॉर इनोवेशन प्लेज एंड प्रोज विच गिव वॉइसेस टू द अनसेएबल। तो इनको इसके लिए लिटरेचर के लिए इनको मिला हुआ है। Which of the following individuals was not awarded Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2023? तो इनमें से किसको नहीं मिला हुआ है? तो आंसर इज पियरी अगोस्टिनी। बाकी सबको नोबेल प्राइज मिला हुआ है। मोंगी जी बेवेंदी, लुइस ई ब्रूस एंड एलेक्सी आई एक्िमोव won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for discovery and synthesis of quantum dots. So quantum dots, these are the nanoparticles that have unique properties due to their small size. Which of the following individuals was not awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2023? The answer is Alexei Akimov. इनको अभी हमने देखा कि इनको फिजिक्स में नहीं मिला है. Who was awarded the Tata Literature Lifetime Award in 2023? The answer is C. Lakshmi. Path-breaking author C.S. Lakshmi, publishing fiction under the pseudonym Ambani, has been awarded the prestigious Tata Literature Lifetime Achievement Award. Who was awarded the Sahitya Academy Bal Sahitya Puraskar in Manipuri language for the year 2023? The answer is Dilip Nongmai Them. The Dilip Nongmai Them, a writer in a Manipuri language, was awarded with this prize for his book Ibema Amasung Nagam Bema. Which company won Best Innovation in Refinery Award for 2022-23? The answer is Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals. Who was posthumously awarded the Sakharov Prize? So Jina Masha was awarded a 22 years old Iranian Kurdish woman who died in a police custody after being arrested for allegedly violating Iran's strict hijab laws. उसको Sakharov Prize दिया गया 2023 में. Who was conferred the 69th Film Awards 2023? Who conferred them? The answer is the President of India, that is Draupadi Murmu. और इसी के अंदर अगर आप देख रहे हो तो हमारे पास थोड़ा सा डेटा और आ रहा है मित्रों. बेस्ट फीचर फिल्म रॉकेटरी द नाम्बी इफेक्ट, बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस आलिया भट्ट एंड कीर्ति सनन फॉर गंगूबाई एंड द मिमी. इनके नाम याद रखिएगा. चैंपियंस ऑफ द अर्थ अवार्ड वाज कन्फर्ड बाय विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? द यूनाइटेड नेशन एनवायरनमेंट प्रोग्राम, वो इसको कंडक्ट करती है. चैंपियंस ऑफ द अर्थ ऑनरिंग द सिटी मेयर, अ नॉन प्रॉफिट फाउंडेशन and a government initiative to research the council and the innovative solutions and transformative action to tackle plastic population. तो प्लास्टिक पॉपुलेशन की ये बात करते हैं इसके अंदर. सिंस इंसेप्शन इन 2005 द अवार्ड हैज़ बीन गिवन टू ट्रेल ब्लेजर्स एट द फोरफ्रंट ऑफ द एफर्ट्स. What is the occupation of Abdullah Mire, the 2023 UNHCR Nansen Refugee Award Global Laureate? So answer is he is a journalist and a former refugee from Somalia. ठीक है. So a journalist from Somalia who has been championed the right to education while putting 1 lakh books in the hands of the displaced children and youth in Kenya. Next, who directed the film Drift that received ICFT UNESCO Gandhi Medal at 54th Film Festival in India? The answer is Anthony Chain. Who won the Golden Peacock Award at IIFI 2023? The answer is Endless Borders. The film Endless Borders from Iran won the Golden Peacock Award at IIFI 2023. Who is set to host 96th Academy Award in 2024 for the 4th time? The answer is Jimmy Kimmel has been announced to host this. Which company secured second prize in the annual report category at the PRSI National Awards 2023 for its outstanding quality, layout and design of the 2023 annual report? The answer is NHPC Limited, the prominent hydropower company in India. Next, who won the top prize in 10 years and under the category of Wildlife Photographer of the Year competition? The answer is Vihan Talya Vikas. Who won the British Academy Book Prize for the Global Cultural Understanding in the 2023 for her debut book Quoting India, England, Mughal India and the Origin of Empire? The answer is Nandini Das. ये इंडियन बॉर्न ऑथर है नंदिनी दास, who won the British Academy Book Prize for Global Cultural Understanding in 2023. Who is the recipient of 2023 Ezhuthachan Puraskar, the top prize instituted by Kerala government? The answer is S.K. Vasanthan. Who was awarded the prestigious Kerala Jyoti Award at the Kerala government in 2023? The T. Padmanabhan has been awarded the prestigious Kerala Jyoti Award. Which institution received Changemaker of the Year Award in 2023 from the Hindu Business Line newspaper? The answer is Reserve Bank of India. Who was awarded as the 19th Kalakar Puraskar for their contribution to Konkani music? The answer is Elopinaris D'Souza. A renowned Konkani singer है ये, lyricist भी है and composer भी है. Who has been nominated for the Best Global Music Performance at 2024 Grammy Award for the song Abundance in Millets? The answer is Falguni Shah. So Falguni Shah is a Grammy Award winning Indian vocalist and songwriter who has been nominated the Best Global. Yes. Who has been honored with the inaugural Lifetime Disturbing and Peace Award by Vaclav Havel Center? The answer is Salman Rushdie. Who has been selected as the recipient of the Gansamaragini Lata Mangeshkar Award for 2023 by the Maharashtra government? The answer is Suresh Wadekar. ये playback singer थे. Which country's representative was crowned 72nd Miss Universe? The answer is Nicaragua and the name is Shanice Palacios from Nicaragua was crowned as a Miss Universe 2023, who were jointly awarded the Indira Gandhi Peace Prize for the year 2022. The Indian Medical Association, that is IMA, and Trained Nurses Association of India, इनको award मिला हुआ है. Who won the 2023 Booker Prize for the fifth novel Prophet Song? The answer is Paul Lynch. ये लंदन बेस्ड इंडियन origin author चेतन मरूज डेब्यू वर्क वेस्टर्न लेन के साथ है. The ceremony in London celebrated the Lynch exploration of unrest in the Western democracies. Who received the prestigious 2023 JCP Prize for Literature? Answer is Perumal Murugan. Who recently made history by becoming first woman to receive the Dahan Prize for Punjabi literature? The answer is Deepti Babuta. For इनको जो अवार्ड मिला है फॉर कलेक्शन ऑफ स्मॉल स्टोरीज पुख इयो सहा लेंदी है. हंगर ब्रीड्स लाइक दिस. पुख इयो सहा लेंदी है. नेक्स्ट इज which state bagged the first prize for the best state in inland fisheries? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. Who got the best actor award at the Stars Asian International Film Festival SAIF? Answer is Ishwak Singh. इनको बेस्ट एक्टर अवार्ड मिला है स्टार एशियन इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल में फॉर आउटस्टैंडिंग परफॉर्मेंस इन द फिल्म बर्लिन. Which two individuals honored as the winners of the UN Global Change Action Award 2023? Michel Zarate Pelomec and Sebastian Moara. इन दोनों को UN अभी अवार्ड मिला हुआ है. नेक्स्ट, recently Arshia Sattar was honored with which French distinction for her contribution to the Indian literature and mythology? The answer is Knight of the Order of Arts and Letters. In which country Dr. Poonam Khetrapal Singh honored with the National Order of Merit for Gold Medal? The answer is Bhutan. Poonam Khetrapal Singh is the first Indian elected regional director of WHO Southeast Asia who received this NOM Gold Medal in Bhutan. Who is the recipient of Arjuna Award 2023 in the sport of chess? तो चेस में ये किसको मिला? आर वैशाली को. आर वैशाली वॉज ऑनर्ड विद द अर्जुना अवार्ड इन 2023 फॉर हर रिमार्केबल अचीवमेंट्स इन द चेस. हाउ मेनी बुक्स वर डिक्लेयर्ड जॉइंट विनर्स ऑफ द गज कैपिटल बिजनेस प्राइज 2023? द आंसर इज 2. और कौन कौन सी है? गज कैपिटल 2 आउटस्टैंडिंग नैरेटिव्स कौन से हैं? अगेंस्ट ऑल ऑड्स, द आईटी स्टोरी ऑफ इंडिया एंड विनिंग मिडिल इंडिया. इनको ऑनर किया गया है. नेक्स्ट, हु रिसेंटली रिसीव्ड PRSI नेशनल अवार्ड फॉर आउटस्टैंडिंग कंट्रीब्यूशन टू द पब्लिक रिलेशन सोसाइटी एंड पब्लिक रिलेशन इंडस्ट्री? द आंसर इज सुगंथी सुंदरराज. Which country was awarded 2023 International Gender Equality Prize to the Afghan Women Skills Development Center? The answer is Finland. The Finland, a global advocate for the gender equality, honored with the Afghan Women Skill Development Center with 2023 International Gender Equality Prize. Which country film won the Golden Royal Bengal Tiger Award for Best Film at 29th Kolkata International Film Festival? The answer is Israel. और इसके है Children of Nobody film was honored with the Golden Royal Bengal Tiger Award. Who was honored with the prestigious Lean D honor for significant contribution to the space cooperation between France and India? Answer is V.R. Lalitambika. Next, which organization has been honored with Scotch Gold Award for 2023 for its excellence in the power sector? The answer is Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. Which entity and team received outstanding contribution to brand India? The answer is ISRO, the team Chandrayaan 3. Next, which are the two individuals honored as the winner of UN Global Climate Action Award 2023? ये क्वेश्चन फिर से रिपीट हुआ है. सो मिशेल जरेट पेलोमेक एंड सेबेस्टियन मोरा. Which Indian origin writer shared Singapore's highest arts award, the Cultural Medallion, in 2023? The answer is Meera Chand. 81-year-old Indian origin writer हैं, recently received the Singapore's highest award, who received the National Award for Best Personality Empowerment of Differently Abled in a ceremony organized by the Department of Environment. The answer is Prashant Agrawal, President of Narayan Seva Sansthan, who is set to receive 33rd Vyas Samman in 2023 for 2016 memoir Yadein, Yadein और Yadein. The answer is Pushpa Bharti, who was honored with Karamveer Chakra Medal and Rex Karamveer Global Fellowship in New Delhi. The answer is Hemchandran Ravi Kumar. He received the Karamveer Chakra Medal for his outstanding contribution to the physical and bioscience and microbial studies. Who was awarded the Order of Merit of the Italian Republic, Italy's highest civilian order? The answer is Kabir Bedi. Kabir Bedi received Italy's highest civilian order. Who is set to receive the Padmapani Lifetime Achievement Award at the Ajanta Ellora Film Festival? Answer is Javed Akhtar. He is honored with the Padmapani Lifetime Achievement Award. Next, who has been honored with 2023 Reach Game Changer Innovator Award and groundbreaking contribution to the leprosy care? The answer is Dr. Atul Shah, a plastic surgeon है, and received 2023 Reach Game Changing Innovator Award. Who has been honored with the Royal Society of Chemistry Neom Prize for Education for outstanding contribution to the chemistry education? Answer is Professor Savita Ladage. Who is the recipient of Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace 2023? Daniel Beremon and Ali Abu Awad is the answer. Who received the Visionary Leader Icon Award of 2023 from ASRA, the 5th National Summit in New Delhi? The answer is Srinivas Naik Dharawat. Next, who has been honored with the CMD of the Year award at the 13th PSC Excellence Award in the Mini Ratna category for the second straight year? The answer is Pradeep Kumar Das, the Managing Director of IREDA. Next, who has been named as the 6th recipient of Rabindranath Tagore Literary Prize for the book Salt and Pepper? The answer is Sukrita Paul Kumar. Poetic critic Sukrita Paul Kumar has been named as the 6th recipient of the Rabindranath Tagore Literary Prize for her book Salt and Pepper. Next, who has been honored with the M.S. Swaminathan Award for the contributions as a scientist and extension specialist in the field of agronomy? The answer is B.R. Kamboj. Chaudhary Charan Singh Haryana Agriculture University Vice Chancellor and Professor B.R. Kamboj received this prestigious M.S. Swaminathan Award. Next, who has been honored with 2023 Kevimpu Rashtriya Puraskar for his significant contribution to the Indian languages? The answer is Shirshendu Mukhopadhyay, a Bengali writer who has been honored with this prize for his contribution across various genres. आगे, who is set to receive the prestigious Arjuna Award amongst these all cricketers? The answer is ये current affairs जनवरी के हैं. The answer is Mohammad Shami. Next, in which sports category did Divya Kirti Singh receive Arjuna Award for the making her the first woman from the Rajasthan to achieve this honor? The answer is equestrian sports. उसके बाद next चलते हैं. Next question. What field of achievement did Savita Kanswal excel in leading her posthumous recognition with the Tenzing Norgay National Adventure Award? The answer is mountaineering. Savita Kanswal, a courageous resident of Uttarkashi, was honored with the Tenzing Norgay Award for her outstanding accomplishment as a mountaineer. और उनकी अचीवमेंट क्या है? She made history by conquering both Mount Everest and Mount Makalu in just 16 days. Next. who was to be awarded Bharat Ratna posthumously? The answer is Kapuri Thakur. ये गांधीयन सोशलिस्ट लीडर है, फॉर्मर बिहार लीडर ऑफ फॉर्मर बिहार है, and is said to become the posthumously awarded Bharat Ratna for his outstanding services. Next, who is set to receive lifetime achievement award as a at the BCCI awards? The answer is Ravi Shastri. Who was honored with the prestigious lifetime award by the Sports Journalists Federation of India (SJFI) and Delhi Sports Association, that is PT Usha. The country's researchers uncovered the massive underwater canyon near the Cyprus. तो किस कंट्री के इन्होंने थे? दे वर द इजराइलीज जिन्होंने ये रिसर्च किया था. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट चलते हैं. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इंडिविजुअल्स इज नॉट सेट टू रिसीव भारत रत्न? इनमें से भारत रत्न किसको नहीं मिला? द आंसर इज वर्गीस कुरेन. इनके अलावा पीवी नरसिम्हा राव, चौधरी चरण सिंह एंड एम एस स्वामीनाथन आर सेट टू रिसीव द भारत रत्न फॉर 2024. Which profession is Pyarelal Sharma associated with based on recent recognition? So he is a music composer. Pyarelal Sharma. इनको Lakshmi Narayana International Award suggests his profession as a music composer. The honor acknowledges his contribution art, particularly in the field of music. Next, why was the Neeraj Chopra honored with the commemorative plaque? Which country honored Neeraj Chopra with commemorative plaque? The answer is Switzerland. So Indian Olympic gold medalist in the javelin throw was honored with the commemorative plaque at Jungfrau's Ice in Switzerland. Next, who was honored with KPP Nambiar Award IEEE Kerala section for his leadership and innovation in space technology? The answer is S. Somanath, ISRO chairman. Or what is the name of the award introduced by the government of India to honor modern influencers and creators? The answer is National Creators Award. इसके लिए आता है. Who has been honored with the France highest civilian award, Chevalier de Lion d'Honneur? The answer is Shashi Tharoor. Recently received 2023 GD Birla Award for the Scientific Excellence. किसको? डॉक्टर अदिति सेन दे को मिला है. Which position did India secure in Global Intellectual Property Index? ये हमने पहले भी कवर किया हुआ था. इंडिया सिक्योर्ड 42nd पोजीशन आउट ऑफ 55 कंट्रीज इन ग्लोबल इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी इंडेक्स. ठीक है, इसके साथ ही हमारे पास ये जो फेब्रवरी वाले हैं ये हमारे पास ख़त्म होते हैं और यहाँ पर हमारे पास सारा का सारा फेब्रवरी ख़त्म हो रहा है. आई होप कि ये वाला वर्टिकल आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. पेपर बहुत नज़दीक है दोस्तों, पढ़ते रहिएगा. विल बी कमिंग विद अ न्यू टॉपिक दैट इज स्पोर्ट्स. तो बाय इवनिंग विल बी पुटिंग इट. थैंक यू डियर. जय हिंद, जय भारत.